Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, check your Android TV model and Android version so you can match fixes. Next, confirm your router band to 4 GHz versus 5 GHz because roaming and band switching cause drops. Disable power saving and auto sleep in device preferences. This prevents the system from turning off radios. Also plug the TV into a stable outlet. Avoid smart plugs that cut standby power. Once done, reboot both the TV and router so changes register, and then move on to network-level adjustments. Now address the network and system. Assign a static IP or reserve a DHCP lease on the router so the TV keeps the same address. This prevents disconnects. Turn off features like Wi-Fi assist, adaptive Wi-Fi, or aggressive network optimization that switch radios. Update the TV firmware and clear caches for apps that hold persistent sockets, then check background apps and disable those allowed to sleep the network. Once these are set, test streaming for 10-15 minutes to verify stability before finalizing power set. Finish by locking the TV to a single Wi-Fi frequency. Choose 5 GHz for speed or 4 GHz for range, and disable band steering so it doesn't flip networks. If your TV's internal radio is unreliable, switch to Ethernet or a certified USB Wi-Fi adapter to eliminate the auto-off issue. Make sure to test after each change. If problems persist, collect logs, perform a factory reset as a last resort, and contact the vendor. One key troubleshooting tip: try a temporary Ethernet connection to confirm whether
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.